आउज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्लास 7th, सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस। तो बच्चों, आज हम सोशल साइंस में दूसरी जो बुक है हमारी, सोशल एंड पॉलिटिकल लाइफ, इसका आज हम तीसरा चैप्टर पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। बच्चों, आप अपनी बुक का पेज नंबर 30 निकालें। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है हाउ द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट वर्क्स, यानी कि रियासती हुकूमत जो है वो किस तरह काम करती है। लास्ट ईयर वी डिस्कस्ड द फैक्ट दैट गवर्नमेंट वर्क्स एट 3 लेवल्स। बच्चों, ये जो गवर्नमेंट है ये जो काम करती है 3 लेवलों पे, लोकल, स्टेट एंड नेशनल। And looked at the work of local government in some detail. In this chapter, we examine the work of the government at the state level. How does this take place in a democracy? What is the role of a member of the Legislative Assembly, MLA, and ministers? How do people express their views or demands action from government? We look at these questions through the example of health. Who is an MLA? यानी कि MLA जो है, MLA कौन होता है? In the above section, you have read about some events in Patalpuram. You may be familiar with some official names such as collector, medical officer, etc. But have you heard of an MLA and the Legislative Assembly? Do you know the MLA of your area? Can you identify which party she or he belongs to? Member of the Legislative Assemblies, MLAs, are elected by the people. They then become members of the Legislative Assembly and also form the government. In this way, we say that the MLAs represent people. The example below will help us understand this better.